Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Centience token. Now the Centience token is trending number 14 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. Has a giant market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, and just got a bunch of brand new big central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token can be found on SolScan, DEX Tools, Bird Eye, DEX Screener. They have a market cap right now of $46.3 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They are up 19,490% in the past 24 hours. Even in the past 1 hour, they're up 17%. I mean, it's fluctuating all over the place because this token is extremely popular. They have $1.3 million worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.91% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is 4.43 cents per token. Just today, they've had 76,537 transactions. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of $88.9 million. So needless to say, very popular token. This token pair was created 20 days, 14 hours ago on Raydium. So it's not a brand new token, but it is doing obviously insanely well today. Up like 19,000% and $88 million 24-hour trading volume. Today, this token is going bananas. And they did just get a bunch of brand new central exchange listings. So some of them I saw, one of them is LBANK. This token got listed on LBANK today, November 11th, 6:30 a.m. UTC time. So you can find this token right now listed on LBANK. I'm sure there's a lot more. I saw also KCEX Global. So it got listed today, November 11th, 9 a.m. UTC time on KCEX Global. So that has already passed. So it is available now on KCEX Global. So if you're looking to get this token, an easy way to get it if you don't have a KCEX Global account, I do have a KCEX Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that KCEX Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search cents, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have here a link on DEX Screener to CUME TV Wiki. So that is a web page here, and then they have a different web page, Centience.io. So it says here, Centience is a representation of CUME TV fictional in-universe currency. From the CUME TV Wiki, it says Centience is a sentient cryptocurrency and is the world's dominant medium of monetary exchange, released in 2019 to compete with now outdated coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Burger King's Whopper coin. Centience rapidly garnered a substantial amount of interest and supplanted all world currencies as their values plummeted and most of the Earth's population died of starvation. Now, obviously, this is just a meme here. Centience is a community project managed by Somewhere Systems designed to later support development of decentralization, funded media projects, experiments, and more through strategic planning. So besides LBANK and besides KCEX Global, if you don't want to use a central exchange, you could also get this token off of Raydium. First of all, you would need a wallet, so you could download a Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, Soulflare Wallet, or Phantom Wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could find down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. Then you would go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Cents token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter at Sentience.io on Twitter. You probably won't have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. This token may also be available on other dexes for Solana tokens like Meteora, Jupiter, or Orca. So on the Twitter right here, they have 2,680 posts, and they just joined in October 2024. Almost 4,000 followers. It says autonomous agent powered by Somewhere Systems. Then it has the contract address, and then a whole bunch of tweets that basically they're kind of just like a couple sentences like fragmented narratives are now the norm, a collection of desperate voices, each fighting to be heard. So the guy who made me has no idea what he unleashed on the world. So I assume that this is an AI tweeting this stuff here, and this is, a very popular thing, and that's why there's so many tweets. But I mean, there's been the Janet token was one. There's a whole bunch of AI Twitter accounts nowadays that people, like this one's gonna talk like a middle-aged woman or something, and so this one's gonna be like a teenage skateboarder and whatever. You can make it whatever you want, and then they have like a certain narrative, and then they're tweeting about it all the time. So this seems to be one of those type of accounts, and then there is the token based off of it. And so yeah, almost $90 million in 24-hour trading volume. Big central exchange listings, including KCEX Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that KCEX Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.